All right, today I'm working on a Tesla Model 3 and the window up and down button is broken. So we're going to replace that entire module. And that is done by removing this panel underneath the armrest. And there's a Torx deep down in there. So we're going to get a Torx, remove that panel so we can get access to the bottom of that switch right there. So that little screw right up there underneath the door panel is a number 30 Torx driver. There's the Torx. And now we're going to go drive that screw back out. And so we're going to take the screw out from underneath there. There's that little panel, and the little panel comes right out. All right, first thing we're going to do, release this little wire from that little restraint. And I believe you just pressure push that connector out. There it is. That's the connector right there. Now, one thing you'll want to know when you're dealing with what's up under there, take a look at the switch that you just got and take a look at the tabs so you can find out what you're aiming for. So this sits in the car like this. So it looks like I've got 4 little tabs I'm going to have to depress to release this object from inside that cavity. So in order to push those tabs or control those tabs, you're going to have to get into your box of trim tools. This guy's my personal favorite, but otherwise a little tool like this guy might even work as well, because you're just going to have to slip in there and rescue those little pins. So we get in there, we'll slide that up in there. Okay, now that that's over with, it was a little tough to get that because there are 2 tabs, like that tab right there and that tab right there, and there's one on the inside as well. Helped me to lift up this emergency access latch, and but there it is. You got to get these 2 tabs, that tab, and then the tab over here and tab over here. You got to get those 4 peeled away so that you could drop this module down. So now that's the dead module. This is the good module. Good module is going back up. Get the orientation right. There it is. Good module. Let me set that right down there. And pull up that emergency access latch to get that module in there. And then just push straight up. Okay, there it is. Now we'll go back down underneath. Don't be afraid to lay on the ground and get that wire right back in. And then secure that other wire right there. So I think that's it. So now to put the car back together, got the little cover, cover goes right back here, and the number 30 Torx drops right into the hole, which you can't find unless you're on your back. There it is, tightening down, covers back on, and that is how you replace the rolling up and down window switch with a number 30 Torx driver.